How to install a Unique Home Designs vinyl hinge screen door with hinge expander. First, be sure to verify that you have purchased the correct style and size for your application. In addition, a required tool list is located on the front of the package. Carefully cut the tops and sides of the package to remove the plastic covering. Remove plastic and cardboard top piece and discard. Remove the hardware from the packaging. Remove the sill expander and set aside. Also remove product stickers from both sides of the hinge screen door. It may be necessary to use a cleaner or degreaser to remove any sticker residue. The hardware included comes with handle, door spring, screws, and fasteners. Once the door is fully unpacked, you're ready to begin installation. To determine the swing direction of your door, place it against your entryway door frame. If the hinge channel expander is on the same side as your entryway door handle, remove it and rotate it 180 degrees and reattach. The hinge channel expander should be on the same side as the hinges of your entryway door. With the hinge channel on the correct side, measure down 1 inch from the top of the expander and draw a pencil line around the entire expander. Use masking tape to mark the channel expander where any cutting will be done. Write the word top on the expander channel. Using tin snips or hacksaw, carefully cut around the marked area. Next, measure the height of the door frame opening. In this example, it is 80 inches. Next, subtract 2 3/16 inches from the total height. In this case, the height is 80 inches. In this example, the total gives you 77 3/16. This is the total length that the hinge expander should be before installing the door. Using this measurement, mark the distance from the top of the expander channel. Use masking tape to mark off the areas and write bottom on the tape. Finally, using a hacksaw or tin snips, remove the extra length from the expander channel. Next, with a tape measure, mark the door frame 3/16 of an inch from the top. This is where the top of the hinge expander will be mounted. Position the hinge channel expander on the entryway door frame. Remember to leave a 3/16 inch gap at the top of the door frame. Mark the locations of all other hinge holes. Pre-drill using an 1/8 inch drill bit and fasten in place with the screws provided. Repeat this step for the other hinges. Once complete, open and close the hinge expander to verify that it clears the top of the opening. With the hinge channel expander attached to the door frame, carefully slide the screen door into the hinge channel as far as it will go. Close the door and adjust the fit and alignment of the door in the frame. Insert shims or spacers between the frame and the latch in the top side of the door to help with alignment. Adjust the door until they're as close as possible to an even gap on all sides. Once satisfied, drive 3 screws, evenly spaced, through the expander and into the door as shown. Repeat this step on the interior side of the screen door. Locate where you want the handle. Then mark and pre-drill 2 1/8 inch holes. Fasten the handle in place with the screws provided. Determine your location for the inside latch hook. Use an 1/8 inch drill bit to pre-drill a hole on the inside of the screen door. Attach the latch hook and turn by hand. Determine where the eye screw will be located on your jamb and pre-drill using an 1/8 inch drill bit. Attach the eye screw and turn by hand. Test to see that the latch hook works properly and adjust if needed. Slide the sill expander onto the door and check the width. It may be necessary to trim the length of the sill expander as shown. Carefully slide the sill expander into place and test for proper fit. Adjust the sill expander until there's a 1/4 inch gap between the bottom of the sill expander and the threshold. Once satisfied, pre-drill 3 holes using an 1/8 inch drill bit. Fasten the sill expander to the screen door with the screws provided. To install the door spring, measure about 6 inches from the hinge side jamb and mark. Pre-drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit. Attach the eye screw and tighten by hand. Next, measure about 11 inches from the handle side of the screen door and mark. Pre-drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit. Attach the eye screw and tighten by hand. Finally, attach the door spring to the door frame and then to the screen door. And that's all there is to installing your own vinyl hinge screen door with hinge channel expander by Unique Home Designs. Thank you for visiting HelpMeInstallIt.com.